Hello, welcome to Mindful Musings. I'm Dee Dee, your host. Whoa, did you guys see the Northern Lights, the Aurora last night? If you were in a place where you could see it, oh my goodness, weren't they exquisite? So yeah, I from in my backyard, we saw some, but had to do the camera. Barely visible to the eye, but in other places, even just a little bit further north, it was just extraordinary. Yeah, the universe is talking to us. You think? Anyway, if you have a chance, and really it looks like pretty much everywhere in the United States, you will be able to get a glimpse of it tonight. I think the best time, what I understand, is right after sunset to about 9 p.m. Is when you can catch them. And plus there's some other, I don't remember the name of it, but comet debris or whatever, so you might see some shooting stars as well if the skies are clear where you are. So a lot of energy, and if you're kind of like me, you may be suffering from it too, with the geomagnetic, the solar storms. You may be having a headache, sinus, migraine-y kind of thing. I know I'm like on the verge. So this might be kind of a short video or not, who knows. Anyway, if you don't know me, I am Dee Dee and I am a sound bowl practitioner. I'm energy alchemist and an intuitive, and I am an elder. I call myself an elder just simply because I'm old. I don't feel old. I mean, some days I do, but not, I still have this incredible vitality and zest for life and excitement for life. So, and about a little over a year ago, Spirit kind of wanted me to do YouTube. So I have been just sitting down when I get the nudge to sit in front of the little camera here and just talk. It's kind of a stream of consciousness. It's whatever it is. I never know what is going to happen. So, like, for example, apparently right now the bulls would like to sing for a moment. Oh, yes, in celebration of freedom, in the celebration of the magnificence of the Aurora, of the activation take a moment, if you want, to just center yourself inside yourself, grounded, center of your head, that place of neutrality, of being able to observe from a place of compassionate detachment, sacred witnessing. Breathing in and breathing out. also take a moment, perhaps you want to visualize that beautiful cosmic gold energy as you bringing it in, allowing it, it's like liquid gold, to just flow through all the way down into the center of Mother Earth, dissolving and releasing any energy that may be stuck, purifying your energy field, so Mother Earth also receives the blessing. And if you have a chance to get outside, to breathe in, bring in the sunlight into your heart to assist with the light activation. Make sure you're taking time throughout the day to check in on yourself. How are you doing? How are you feeling? As you breathe, just tune into your body and breathe into any areas that may be feeling tightness. Ask what the message is. Bring it into the present moment. Bringing in an understanding, compassion, forgiveness, love, so that you may heal and then release it. Integrate the learnings, but release the pain and release any stagnant energy that no longer serves. That's what we're doing now. Oh, these bring me such joy. Beautiful. And that. A lovely person had commented how they had wished that I had incorporated bowls, the singing bowls in the last video. So that is for you, my dear. Thank you for requesting that. Oh, so yeah. Let's see what if anything else is coming through besides just really honor yourself. Honor how you are feeling. And know with all these energies, the flux and the energy, the solar flares, if you are feeling tired, rest. And you may go from a place of absolute like high energy to just go ahead and honor that. There is no right, there is no wrong. But we are being called upon to take care of this precious, precious vessel that we are in. So listen to it. Listen to yourself. Honor what is coming up for you. And remember, if old stuff is coming up, you're not relapsing, you're not regressing. It is simply coming up for you to acknowledge it, accept it, bring love and understanding and compassion and forgiveness, to integrate it in order to release. These are the times we're living in right now, and it's accelerated. And all this influx of the new energies, our light getting a higher frequency. And as we adjust to a higher frequency, we may need more rest. So honor that. I would encourage all of us to don't give in to this old system programming of you must be active all the time. You must be productive all the time. No. What if The new being productive is one of resonance and of tuning in and spending time with ourselves, focusing on raising the resonance and tuning in to all of that which is of the higher frequencies. Because that's the new world that we are shaping, is one of resonance, a frequency of the ability to tune in, and first and foremost to tune into ourselves and to what will bring us into balance and will fill and strengthen our sovereign field. So please remember, drink lots of water. Remember to bless whatever you are drinking. Bless it with an intention. Whatever that intention is, infuse it with love, compassion, healing, balance, whatever it is that you wish to infuse and ingest. Get outdoors. Please, if you can, go outside to breathe in nature, so that, because Mother Earth, Gaia, has that balancing, that wonderful effect on our system. And with all this no light codes, light energy coming in, you will want to ground it into Mother Earth. She will assist with the transmutation of it and will receive a healing. But anchoring in the calm, the peace. Make sure you are grounded, and make sure you are sending that gold energy down your grounding from the base of your feet all the way to the center of the earth, base of the spine to the center of the earth. That cosmic gold energy that cleanses it to make sure that you are in your highest timeline of the new earth, not tethered to the old earth, but being of one with the new earth. So you are grounded, you are breathing deep breaths. You are in the center of your head, place of neutrality. And you are connected as above, so below, running those combined energies of earth and cosmic, allowing it to flow throughout your chakra field, auric field, to cleanse. Good. Remember, you're calling your energy back to you, especially at the end of the day. Before you go to sleep at night, make sure you are retrieving your energy and allowing it to be purified in the fiery sun above your head before you bring it in. And likewise, you are giving back any energy that does not serve your highest good, that does not belong to you. That's one of the most important things we can be doing, is checking in on how are we doing and responding. Yeah. A lot of things are bubbling up. It's an exciting time. Stay true to you. Stay connected with your higher self, bringing that higher wisdom in so that you will be able to discern truth. And remember, your truth may not resemble somebody else's truth, because our truth is what we experience in life, in this life, through the eyes, through the filter of our experience and our belief system. As we change, our way of perceiving things will also change, meaning our truth will also change. And remember, there is no one truth. There is no right or wrong. And that's why we want to be very secure in our sovereign field, so we can really embrace our compassion and accept, simply because we accept someone else's way of being, perception, truth, doesn't mean we agree with it, that it resonates with us. It simply means we are allowing others the dignity of their own process. And that is how we will be creating a world of diversity, of unity. Because unity and harmony doesn't mean we all agree. It means we coexist and we honor and we respect and go, oh, okay, that's where you are. This is where I am. Let's work together to achieve what is best for the greater good of all concerned. It'll take a while for us to get there, unless it doesn't. But what is important is that we are all consciously working on ourselves. And I say work meaning play, be creative, have fun, have joy, express your love, express your joy, get out there, dance and sing, listen to your favorite music. That is all form of lifting your consciousness, awareness, your vibration. Because joy and light and laughter and forgiveness and harmony is all lighter frequency, higher consciousness. And it's from that place that we will create. I'm not saying anything you don't already know, not saying anything new that I haven't already covered in all of my previous videos. Yet it is present. So let me go ahead. Oh, okay. Starseed Oracle wants to talk. So for the highest and greatest good of all concerned, knowing that only truth and love may speak through, let's see. What is coming forward in this magnificent time of magic and beauty? Starseed Oracle, Rebecca Campbell. Because, wow, I mean, never in my life did I think I would see the Northern Lights, the Aurora in Kansas. And not just once, but as several times. This is magic. This is you feel it, don't you? You feel it shifting. The world is shifting. The energy is shifting. And it is, time is irrelevant at this point. It happens as it happens. The main thing is, please stay centered, stay calm, take care of yourself, and be the calm. Be the lighthouse for those who may experience fear and resistance and uncertainty as all the secrets start being revealed. And I don't mean just political secrets. I mean, secrets of the universe that we are now perhaps ready. Obviously it's something that I don't know because, I'm just not, I'm not vibrating high enough. And when we do vibrate high enough, then we will be made aware of them. So stay open. Let your heart remain open. Remain open, your mind, to all the possibilities. Know that science is only knows what it can know on this 3D that as we raise the consciousness, as the frequencies rise, science will also expand to incorporate that which we may think of as hooey and childlike. That's, that's just simply can't exist. Well, no, because we're still in this 3D. But we are expanding. Our consciousness is expanding, and so too will our awareness of the world. Yeah, this is kind of like perfect here. Star ancestors, hidden secrets, lost wisdom. Look a little deeper. It's a time of reflection as well as expansion, but it's as we look within, we will discover the ancient secrets that are to be revealed to us as we expand our consciousness, as we open our hearts to the possibilities. The image that was coming in on that is we in this level of consciousness I've only skimmed the surface. There is so much more. There is so much more that it will be revealed to us. So much that has been lost. But will surface again and is resurfacing soon. Soon, boy, I mean, looking at the night sky, and then what is going to emerge out of the ocean. There, it's remarkable, it's exciting. Wow, okay. This one is longing for home, homesick for the stars. During this time, if you are a starseed, or if you have that connection with your galactic beings, there may be a sense of being a little homesick. You know, if you resonate, that you've probably never felt like you fit in, and always trying to adapt to fit in, but never feeling like you really do. And there's a sense of longing for home. It's not that much longer. And no, you're not alone. Our galactic brothers and sisters, they're with us. They're with us. Okay, what's coming in is that all of the benevolent beings around us, including our galactic brothers and sisters, want us to know that they are with us. Our angels, our guides, our spirit team, to remain open and invite their presence in. That as we crack open, do not give into any despair or fear. Call upon yourself. Call upon the wisdom that is inside, and our benevolent beings will be here to point us in the right direction. They can't do it for us, but they surely can provide information, lead us to the information. You can feel the warmth, feel the love. If you feel a fear, don't suppress it. Allow the fear to come up, acknowledge it, and then apply love. You ask what the fear is, what the message is, And then apply the love and the forgiveness to bring the fear to a place of love. If the fear is so strong, immediately shift by thinking of something you are grateful for. Bring in the gratitude. Think of what lightens your heart. That will help to shift that fear energy into one of harmony and hope and love and the lighter frequency. And I'm saying this because this card is the cracked open, rock bottom, surrender to the alchemy of life. That as things are revealed, it may not be comfortable and it may bring up fear. And that's okay. Just don't give yourself over to the fear and stay there. Acknowledge it, allow it to go through you, discover what the message is, and then shift into the higher vibration. Because remember, if you reside in fear, then you are residing in the lower vibration, the lower consciousness. And we're not residing there. We're not going to continue that. We are residing in the higher consciousness, the one of harmony, of love, of cooperation, not of greed and suffering and selfishness and war and us versus them. That is what is being cracked open. All the corruption, all the control aspects of the systems, the religious systems, the political, governmental systems, societal systems are being exposed, are being cracked open so that we can heal and move forward. And remember, we are not alone on this journey. Do not resist. Resistance creates stuckness. Resistance creates a wall. We want to go with flow. Change is happening. Whether we're ready for it or not, we might as well go with the flow and bring in the inner wisdom to learn how to alchemize the emotions that might come up for us, to learn how to acknowledge, apply love, forgiveness, compassion, integration, alchemization, with the assistance of our higher knowledge and the benevolent beings that are all around us. And remember Gaia, remember Mother Earth, call upon Mother Earth as well. As above, so below, as within, so without. So much coming in. Tune in to yourself. Allow yourself to feel hopeful. Allow yourself to feel joy. Allow yourself to trust in the divine plan. Allow yourself to know that this isn't a trick of the 3D where it's going to get pulled from us, yanked from us, like Lucy pulling the football away from Charlie Brown. That's not what's playing out here. The universe has our backs. The universe is supporting us in becoming the greatest version of ourselves, the greatest version of this planet. And they're cheering us on. So celebrate the wonder of all that is taking place, all that is transpiring. Go out and be awed by the magnificent lights in the sky. That's magic. That's real. That is signaling the shift. All right, I'm gonna let go at that. Tune into yourself. What resonates with you, and then let go of what does not resonate. But you are the one who decides. By coming in, being balanced, center of the head, running your energy, resonate. That's the name of the game. That's what it's coming to. That's the name of the new game we're playing. And it's not a game. It's truth. All right, my beloveds. Thank you. Yeah, I'll check in with you later. Much love. The divine in me recognizes the divine in you. Keep breathing. Divinity is all around. We are guided and protected. So be it. Namaste.